In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Outlook calendar with Asana for better task management and scheduling. We'll walk through 2 practical ways to bring your tasks and events together so you can plan with confidence and keep everything in sync. First, open the Asana project you want to sync, or head to My Tasks if you manage your work there. In the top right corner, click Customize. From here, select Apps, or Open Rules if that's where the integration options are listed in your workspace. In the app search, look for the Outlook calendar integration and select it. This ties Asana's automations to your Microsoft 365 calendar so events can be created based on the activity in your project. Next, open the data sync settings for the integration and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Use your organization's account and make sure you have permission to connect apps. Once authenticated, define the triggers that should create calendar events, such as when a task is moved to a particular section or when a task is assigned. Then choose the action to create an Outlook event. Map your Asana fields to calendar fields so the details carry over clearly: task name to event title, due date or start and due date to event times, and description to the event body. If your tasks don't include times, Outlook may treat them as all-day events, so consider adding times to tasks that need precise scheduling. When you're happy with the setup, save your settings to activate the sync. You'll see a dedicated calendar group in Outlook where these Asana-created events will appear, keeping them easy to spot and manage. If you prefer a simple feed instead, you can sync by URL. In Asana, go to the project you want to share, click the project name drop-down, then choose Export or Sync. Select the icon option and copy the link that Asana provides. Open Outlook web or desktop and go to your calendar settings. Find the option to add a calendar from the internet or URL, then paste the Asana link and confirm. Outlook will subscribe to that feed and display your project's tasks as calendar items. This method is great for a quick, read-only view of your timeline. Keep in mind that updates may take a short time to refresh, and you can remove the feed later by unsubscribing in the same settings area. That's it. Thanks for watching.